Welcome back guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp. In this video, we are going to cover like a 30-day plan that I would personally follow if I was going to start learning Python in 2022 with no prior knowledge. So each and every day in this plan is going to cover certain fundamental topics and it is going to take you less than 10 to 20 minutes per day. And by the end of 30 days, you will know more about Python than most of the university students out there. And this video is basically for anyone who wants to start learning Python. It doesn't matter which profession you're working in right now or if you have ever written like a line of code. All of that does not matter. What matters is you have a laptop, you have 10 to 20 minutes free every day, and you have an internet connection to watch these videos. And I'm not going to make a video like here's a 30-day plan, go and do it. I'm going to walk you through each of these days with some video tutorials that you can watch and follow. So without any further delay, let me show you the 30-day plan that I would personally do if I was to learn Python again in 2022. So let's start with our 30-day plan. We will divide 30 days into 3 sections of 10 days each. The only reason we are doing this is to get you to be more consistent when it comes to learning a new skill. Because as I said earlier, Python is easy to learn. You only have to stick with it. So the first 10 days we will divide it in 2 different parts, day 1 and day 2, and the second part would be day 3 to day 10. Day 1 is just going to be introduction, just what Python is and how programming languages work. Day 2 is going to be installation, where we will install Python and some free softwares to help you write Python code. Day 3 to day 10 is going to be data types and variables. So here, day 3 and day 4, we will go over the introduction of these 2 concepts for 10 minutes per day. You are only going to watch videos. You won't do anything. Keep your hands off the keyboard and just sit and watch. Day 5 to day 7, we will practice whatever we learned in the last 2 days. So you will write some data types and variables. This is going to take 10 minutes per day. And day 8 to day 10, we will write some examples of data types and variables and practice them. Again 10 minutes per day. Remember, consistency is the key when you're learning programming. This is what I'm trying to get you into. So now the second step, which is day 11 to day 20. This is where we'll actually start getting into Python. The last 10 days were just surface level. Here we'll start with day 11 and day 12. That would be covering for and while loops. Day 13 to day 16 are going to be very important because we will be doing list. And day 17 is only going to be sets and tuples. Day 11 will be introduction and this will take 15 minutes, and day 12 will be practice. Now this is some kind of intermediate concept, so we will spend 15 minutes every day from here on. Now comes the list. So list is one of the most important things that you will be using in your Python language. Day 13 will be introduction to list for 15 minutes. Day 14 and day 15 will be list methods. This will go on for 20 minutes because there are a lot of them that you will be using. Day 16 will be practicing list examples for 20 minutes per day. Day 17 we will just do introduction and examples. We'll be covering sets and tuples, so it will take you 20 minutes. Now the last one, which would be day 18 to day 20, we will just do examples. Again 20 minutes per day. You have to take out 20 minutes because now you're actually trying to write Python code. day 21 to day 30. By this time you might have decent understanding of the Python language. So we will keep the last 10 days very light. Day 21 to day 24 we will only do dictionaries, and day 24 to day 30 would be practice Python examples 30 minutes per day. Now dictionaries are kind of complicated when you are learning it for the first time. So day 21 will be introduction to dictionary and its methods for 20 minutes per day. Day 22 will be practice for 20 minutes again every day, and day 23 and day 24 we will be doing 2 examples every day of dictionaries. That is going to take you 20 minutes again. And as we already covered, day 24 to day 30 would be Python examples 30 minutes per day. So this is going to be 6 days, but if I had to learn Python in 2022, this is how I would do it. So that is it from this video, guys. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.